back to 26 Acres Outdoors. Today, Fauna and I are going to be doing some cooking. We are going to cook you guys blue crab and clam sauce over linguine. It should be good, it's super simple, won't take you any time at all. As I did yesterday, I caught some blue shell crabs along with my wicked sunburn. I forgot a pocket knife and sunscreen. The only two things I forgot. It was still a fun trip. So I was scouting some areas to make some videos for you guys about how I catch blue crabs. I know I do have the one with spotlighting on here, but I got some other methods I use, so we'll make some videos of that soon coming up, but let's get back to our recipe. Super simple. It shouldn't take you very long at all. We got the pasta already cooked. We've got two cans of chopped clams, which you'll need about 8 ounces of clam broth, but I decided to add the broth and the clams, right?
Yeah.
We've got about 2 cups of cooked blue shell crab meat. We're gonna need some parsley, garlic powder, flour, 4 tablespoons, a whole big onion, and I didn't have any half and half, but if you want to make your own half and half, just whole milk and 1 cup of whole milk to 1 cube of butter, tablespoon of butter. Mix them together. Don't be alarmed because it looks a little lumpy, but when you cook it, it'll turn into the same thing. I didn't feel like going to the store. So let's get to this. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go cooking.
We're back.
We're back. Ready to cook. Got 2 tablespoons of butter melting in our pot. And what are we going to add next? We're going to add our onions.
Yum, yum.
So we got our whole onion. You dumping it in?
Yeah. You help me?
Yep. So we got our whole onion in there. You're just going to cook it till it softens up. Mix it.
I mix it.
You want to mix it? You mix. I only had a red onion.
Hi, we're back.
So we're just going to cook this down, soften up these onions about 5 minutes. We're back again. We have another helper. Calvin, say hi.
Hi.
Watch your arm, buddy. He's stirring onions. Fauna's going to add our 4 tablespoons of flour. Dump it on in. You got to keep mixing that. In it. That's all it's going to take. You guys can. You got it? Calvin, we don't need to make toast. But come on.
Yeah.
All right, keep going. Stir. Now we're going to take our half and half, or the half and half that I made. We're going to dump that in. Whoa, guys. Ready? You got to keep stirring.
Hi, we're back.
Yep, we're back again. All right,
Hi,
and then hi, bye. All right, and along with that, you're going to add your clam juice and your clams. I'm going to add those.
Daddy.
You can't splash, guys. It's hot. You're going to add a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Go ahead, shake it in.
How much?
Just keep shaking until I say stop. When you think it's enough is when you stop, and I think that's plenty. Oh, I probably should have done that part.
I think it will taste yummy.
Oh, we got it everywhere. Easy, easy. All right, we're gonna keep stirring. We'll get back to you in a minute.
Bye. Hi. Bye.
All right, let's do a nice boil. We're gonna put our crab meat in. Actually, Fauna the chef is. Dump her on in. I know it's cold. Just don't drop that pot in there. I'm back after the accident in the kitchen. And careful, don't plop it in like that. It actually burns pretty well.
I did it.
Yeah, I know you did it. It's all right.
You didn't get the water out of your mouth.
I know I couldn't say it fast enough. It's good now. All right, that sauce thickened up rather nicely. Now you're gonna just add your pasta. I'm going to do this part, so.
Mommy.
You don't have to do it this way, but I would rather just mix it all together at once. We'll kill the heat, and then we're gonna eat. There it is. Looks good. You don't want to taste? I'll taste it. Not a very big taste, but man, that's good. That's out of this world. Nice job. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. And as usual,
Catch you next time.
you gotta do the point.
I don't want it.
Catch you next time.